These are the beehives. Those first 4 are the ones I've purchased. They're already full of bees. They're still doing pretty good. First 2 hives have a lot of brood. Second 2 not so much. That one on the end is one that was given to me, and it is solid. Bees were swarming a couple days ago, and I created some hives right there with that nuke box with the disc, and then the other one. I'd captured those bees and then I just put them in there. I'll show you what they look like on the inside. Box. Let's see what they're doing. Oh my. I don't see too much action in here. Normally I have my bee. I don't. No, they ain't doing nothing with that one. Normally we have on our bee suit when we're doing this. And I'm just hoping I don't get stung. Let's look at this one. Ooh. Quite a few bees on that. There's Otis. Otis is creeping over here. He likes to take craps in the yard. Don't see anything. That's an ugly looking hive. Oh, there's pollen in there. That yellow stuff. I don't know if you can see that. It's pollen. I don't know. There might be a mama in there. I'll look later. Try not to shake them up too much. There. Should be wearing. Well, I don't guess. I don't know. I'm not wearing a bee suit. There's Otis. If he comes over here, maybe he'll get stung. Otis, you want to get stung? Alright, let's take out the other hive. Whoa. Big brick. Put it right there. Need a drink. Let's see what we have in here. Okay, that other one was a nuke box. This one looks like there's lots of bees in here. That's kind of tight. Oh, these are kind of tight. I really hope they don't sting me. Ooh, yeah. Here we go. Come on. Oh, that's looking good. That's looking good. Whoa. That looks really good. There's a lot of bees there. Let's see if we see a mama bee. I see some pollen. I see some honey. Does anybody see the mama? The queen bee. This hive might make it. It's solid. This other side, check this out.
Oh yeah.
Lots of bees, and the same for the side that's in here. Let me see if I can get that angle. It is chock-a-block full of bees.
Check out Otis.
Yeah, look at Otis. I just moved the chicken tractor. Guess what he's gonna do? Roll in the poop. That's what he does. He's a poop roller. Let's see if we can find that queen bee. On this one. Oh, it's purplized now. I don't have my bee tool. It's hard to get out. I think that might be just... Can you record me? Probably safe right here. Should have... Yeah, I can cut some. I'm gonna pull this out. Put that on the stove. This is a frame full of honey. They're working it. It's starting to rain. Or it's starting to sprinkle. I mean, this other side looks really good. That first frame that I pulled out. Like they might be working it. I don't know. I didn't look too hard for a queen because, well, I don't get stung. But put the lid on. starting to rain. These bees are really calm. You can come over here. These bees are calm. These are the feral bees that I was given. It's propolized in. Propolize is bee glue. Propolis. Look at that, they're building the comb on this. This was flat black, if you will. Just a wax coating, and you can see how they're starting to work this pretty good. Here is a frame of, I need a place to put this. I'm gonna just lean it up here against the side. Try not to bump it. Bees are buzzing. Look at this.
Oh.
It's got a lot of honey, and on the bottom, I got one that's buzzing around me. He is not happy. Got one buzzing me.
I know, I see it.
I'm gonna put these back. They're building a lot of comb on the bottom because I have some medium frames inside a deep. This is a deep box. It's taller than those. If you look at those right there, they're only 6 and something. This is 9 and I don't know what it is, 5/8, let's call it. But this is where I saw the queen yesterday. This has a lot of bees in here. I'm gonna just pull up this first frame. This is where the queen was yesterday. And there's a lot of comb built on the bottom of this. No, on the next one. They filled this in. This frame had, you can see the old comb right in here. They built new comb, and then they have some pollen in there. And they're kind of just hanging out in there. I think where I saw the queen last time was right in this frame. These are a bunch of nurse bees. I guess they could sting me. I got one called, look at that. A lot of brood on here. Now I'll put some brood in here and for them to take care of, and so the queen would start laying more. And I saw her working this the other day. But you see all that extra comb they built on to this one. Essentially made it a deep. Or making it a deep versus, these are medium frames that go in those shorter boxes. Let's pull up, here's a deep frame. It's slightly propolized here. Look at that. That's a lot of bees. Huh? They're building some comb. Lots of pollen. Look at there on top. That's pollen. I think I made that bee right there mad. He's trying to get me. Please don't. There's a lot of bees on this one. They're buzzing me. I think I made them mad. I might get stung. But there you go. There's some crunches. It's alright. It's starting to rain a little bit. That's all, folks. That one's mad at me.
Yeah. Well, don't shoot at me.